Namaskar, this is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I welcome you all to our channel Brahmin Satya. I have got good response. I will not say overwhelming response, but there is a good response. And this is how we can start, and this is how we should start. So today's video is basically what I am going to put up is that our community should be like Jews. Today we are around 10 crore community across the world. So 10 crore community is something around 2,500 houses. So 2,500 houses, and all those houses are all intellectual houses, and our community is known for intelligence, our community is known for integrity, and our community is known for sacrifice. Intelligence and sacrifices are two main traits of our community, and that is what we need to look after, and that is what we need to exploit also, both the things. So now I had my last videos with you, wherein my first Brahmin channel, then first Brahmasatya .in website, first Brahmasatya app. This is all we have already come up. So now my request is with you. Means I also had the other YouTube, other video also, wherein I said that Brahmin should help Brahmins. So all these videos have got good response, and I want you all to subscribe to my channel, share with all your friends and relatives, Brahmin friends and relatives, and uh, uh, propaganda this channel to the maximum of the places. Already I have got a Marathi channel also for that is Brahma Satya, where I have got an extraordinary good response, around 25,000 subscribers. Now today's video is basically that what is our what we should do in today's world post pre 1947, that is pre independence. Normally all Rajas and Maharajas, or all people who were ruling, whether they were British or anybody else, where administration was in our hands, finance was in our hands, and at that time there was importance for head. Today importance for head is not there. The importance for number of heads is there. What are the number of heads? Now, barring few states like Uttar Pradesh or Bihar or Madhya Pradesh, barring those few states, Brahmins are normally very are minuscule in percentage across India. What happened to Brahmins in Kashmir? What did we do? What were we able to do as Brahmins? As Hindus, we could not do anything. As Brahmins, what did we do? So there is a need for our community to come up, and if India has to come up, if Bharat has to come up, our community has to put in our sacrifices. Though someone will say that there are reservations, what sacrifices we will do? So if not in government, we can we can put up our own units. We can come up in private sector. We can come up in business. And this is what predominantly I would like to put it, that Brahmins should be like Jews. Today Jews are not even 2% of the world, but they practically indirectly run the whole world's economy. Today American economy is run by Jews. What is American economy run? When American economy is run by Jews, that is why Americans cannot bully a small country like Israel. While we are 130 crores, America still bullies us. America still dictates certain terms. When Mr. Trump said that India has to give us those doses, we had to give those doses. Okay, whatsoever powerful Narendra Bhai Modi is, or whatsoever powerful everything is, but financially we should be powerful. So how can we be financially powerful? And there is a very good proverb in Sanskrit, that is Arthasya Purusho Dasa. That means that whatever strong man you are, whatever intelligent man you are, but a man is a slave of money. That is Arthasya Purusho Dasa. That is very well said. Now, what I am coming to is that we have people in government, we have people in business, but we don't have people in large business. We don't have people uh, with lot of financial strength, financial capabilities. Now, as I said earlier, that there are 10 crore Brahmins across the world. If these 10 crore Brahmins, if we come together, if we help our fellow mates in business, that is putting up businesses, helping them how to run the businesses, helping them with money, helping them with marketing. See, if today, though we run, you see telco, with Tatas or any other big organizations, normally if you see all the big bosses, now Tata's N. Chandrasekhar, who is he? He is a Brahmin. Okay, so people trust us to great extent, or to a larger extent. People trust us, and everybody has trust on us, and that is a very right thing. And we have that integrity. That is why people trust us. So what we need to do is that we need to have our established businesses. We need to grow up financially. If if we put up our own marketing setup, that is Brahma marketing setup, say, all people who are manufacturers, small or big, within Brahmin fraternity, if they buy from Brahmin fraternity, number one, if they sell through Brahmin fraternity, that if we have if we run an online marketing thing like Amazon or Flipkart or all these people, I think the whole world will be in our pocket. We will be one of the richest community in that frame. So all our people in that particular segment should help us to get up. I would now request you people. Some of you may be in government postings, some of you may be in abroad, financially very strong, some of you may be good businessmen. So I want you to come to our platform, that is brahmasatya.in website, Brahma, BRAHMASATYA.in. This www.brahmasatya.in. I want you to come there, register over there, register your business. See, we have Brahma Mitra type of a concept, that is as good as your that is as good as your Facebook. So all Brahmins should be friends. Then I have got an app, Brahma Satya app. That Brahma Satya app, as of now, it is only on Android. Okay. So shortly we will come up with other versions also. So that Brahma Satya app, I want you to download those apps. Each Brahmin should download that app and go through that app, take down that app and register over there, put up their own requirements for business, requirements for marriage, requirement for money, or requirement for education. Brahma Mahavidyapit we have already established. Through that Brahma Mahavidyapit we will give education to everybody, and we will ensure that you get a job or you are settled in business. That is what we will ensure. But provided you support us with your education, number one. Number two, I will request all of you, a lot of you. Now this video normally predominantly goes on LinkedIn and other business platforms. So when we are there, what you need to do is that you can help us in every aspect. You can some senior people can help us in teaching, some senior people can help us with their experience in HR, placing our people with their this thing. And so in whatever way you need to help us, that is how we will become financially strong. See, now, do we find any Parsi beggar? Do we find any Marwadi beggar? No, we don't find, because the community helps them. The community looks after them. This is how we need to look after the community. This is how we need. Normally it is something said, and it is very true also, that there was only one Rishi, okay, who was isolated, who was self-sustained, and who used to do his intellectual things sitting in one place. But today the thing is different. So we come from that Rishi background. We come as a Brahmin. So we also stick to our own our own fraternity, our own frame. That is my daughter, my son, my wife, my parents, that's all. We don't go out of that frame. We need to go for out of that frame. See, today in this democratic world, when head doesn't have a head doesn't have a cost, heads have a cost. How many heads? That is why we have reservations. We have people who are who give votes. Number of votes. So in 130 crores, if Brahmin votes are hardly 4 to 5 crores, our votes don't have much of a meaning, but Dalit votes have meaning, OBC votes have meaning, the Jat votes have meaning, the Kshatriya votes have meaning, because we are hardly 7% all over India, and 7% all over India, that in some places like Maharashtra, from where I come, we are hardly 2 or 3%. So this 9-10 crore people, now it is a requirement of, it is need of the hour to come together, to help each other and to grow up. We need to be strong. See, if money is there, intellectual can be bought and strength can be bought. But we already are intellectuals, only money is there, money has to come. So all my national, international, corporate bigwigs, corporate big people who are there at the helm of the business, I would request them to help us, to help every Brahmin person to get, either to get a job or either to get a business done. See, we are not going to get reservation. We never asked for reservation. We are not asking for reservation, and we will never ask for reservation. So when all these things are there are some people who are asked for reservation, but nobody will support them. But then if we have to come up, unity should be the motto of our unity should be the motto of our this thing. Discipline is already there, intelligence is already there. Now only thing is that through this unity we need to establish larger retail chains, larger financial gambits, larger jobs for our people. We should be there in every segment. We should be there in online marketing. We should be there in everything. Now, some people or some of you may not like, but the Asian fishing king in Asia or fishing king in India, we will say, is one Mr. Deepak Gadre from our Maharashtra Ratnagiri. He bought up HAL, he bought up ITC fishing plants. See, ITC buying up some Brahmins is fine, but Gadre Sahab bought these people is something is very appreciable. We need to appreciate. Now it is something like that, that whether we eat fish or not is something, we are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. But when it comes to business, Gadre Sahab, we should respect Gadre Sahab. Similarly, Venkateshwar, Venkis, this Rao, they are also Brahmins. They are kings as far as the poultry industry is concerned. So I would not say that we should go for selling beef or something like that, but definitely we should be everywhere. We should be Tatas everywhere. We should be Jews everywhere. We should control the economy. Once we control the economy, and automatically we will control everything, and by that it will not be beneficial for our community. It would be beneficial for even our nation too, and then lastly the world too, because Maharshi said that Brahmin community is the most intelligent community in the world, and therefore I would again request you that we should be financially strong, come together, support, and make the whole community very strong. Today only this much. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, please share, please like my videos, and share it to the maximum. Share it with on your WhatsApp groups, share it on your Twitter, share it on your Telegram, share it on your LinkedIn also, and wherever else. I am not a computer savvy person, but wherever else where you can share this, kindly share this. Thank you very much.